Okay, so as you know, my last video, Flee the Facility, I'm sorry for making it unavailable for comments. It was my first video and I was confused on what to do. I didn't know how to do diddly squat. What is that skin, bro? How do you even do that? I want to push it. Space rocket. I don't get it. Well, that's fine. Bro, that rat. No, wait, that's a rat. Okay, that was gonna be fun. Bro, why is Lily Lovebird in the lobby?
I was so good at this one, Ben.
Bro, this ain't. Na. Wait, I have a theory. Can I, in theory, be? This is like an old game as old as time. This is an old game. Jenna. No, it's Black Jenna. It's Jenna Blacker. Wait. Oh, wait, you can climb the wood? Dude, what's this? This is the wrong song. This is the wrong song. Oh, yep, they're dead. It's not the coffin dance. Does this sound like the coffin dance to you?
I did this one before.
I'm a sentinel being from another planet. This is light work. Light work, no reaction. Am I the only one who's alive? What? How? But ow, stop. Fight! There's balls in your mouth. Oh no, he's Johnny, bro. Here's Johnny. Kabam, kabam. I already been running out about it. What are you doing? It's Black Diddy. That's not Jesus. That's blood. I don't want to test if they have barriers. That's why. Because I knew they don't. Okay. So I'm very good at spleet. Come here, George. Come here, George. Bro's a big back. There ain't no way bro's taking. Sure, bro. You can't kill me. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Go, dude. Well, I don't want to get away from the house. My house. My house. My house. Damn. What? Get to the what? Oh, I need to meet Mario. Let's go night. Do. No. I am Mario. Nope. Do. What happens if we do not go to the top? Wait, why is there hardly anyone in the server? It looks like. Why are they up there? Oh, bet I get to be Mario forever.
Unless you die.
What rocks? Wait, that wasn't a rock. That was a piece of wood, bro. Can I just stay over here? Will this work? I'm gonna be the one. Dance till you die. Do. You don't know what that meme is? I'm pretty sure an old meme. I'm not sure. Oh my god. So, bro, why is this, bro, I think why is Luigi like that? Why is he built like that? I think that's the Lily Love Brands person. I'm gonna be kind of honest. There's no way someone just died. Hurry to the green platform. Mario 64. Wait, what if I don't want to? What if I don't want to dodge the lasers? Why does this seem so laggy? I think this is what old Roblox is like. Laggy and... Think fast.
Go on the button.
No, I can't. Yeah, bro. See? I thought fast. You can't think fast, then you lose. Bro, this game hasn't updated in years. Pizza. I need pizza. Give me pizza. Oh, it just says pizza, but I can't even collect the pizza. I'm a bro. Never. Are we climbing chicken jockey? Wait, what am I saying? Yo, sorry for people who don't like that meme. I did not even mean to say that. I meant to say noob. I meant to say oof, noob. Say, alright, we're gonna get hit by that bazooka. I'm stupid. It's Lily Love Braids. I'm not a bad boy. Touch. Huh? What's going on? What just happened? Someone explain to me what the heck just happened. Wait, I saw something. I like that name, Real Bean. How long have I been recording? Oh, it's not even a minute. It's a minute. Yo, whose car was that? Someone just. Stop! No, what? Why am I always? Why?
Look at you are at the top.
No, I'm not. I didn't win. It's in my name. Why? How did I die? Bro, how did I die? Laser gun. Yo, why am I always glitching through maps here? I'm gonna stand on this red ball. so I don't get bald. No, yellow bar.
Zoom in.
Boom, now I
man.
won't get
Zoom
glitched.
in.
I want the button work. What am I supposed to do? Bro, why does whenever Lily jumps, she does a 360 no scope? I swear, like, whenever she jumps, she does 360. Yeah. I'm smart. Dude, yeah, I might have to be a little zoomed in more. Yeah, you think that's the end? But it's gonna hit us. It's gonna hit us. Yo, you really have to be careful, like, because even if you're right there, you're gonna get killed. But why is everything so expensive? Chat, why is everything? Oh yeah, get down there. Don't you dare. Chat, I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die from this buns level. I'm not gonna die from a level that is so easy. Oh.
So my tooth is about to come out.
You guys got your shirts? Oh, really? You guys got your shirts, right? Get them all ready.
It's somewhere. We haven't even had dinner.
I know, I'm just saying send out so they're all ready. If you want to get around where it is, when it comes close to the time, you'll know exactly where it is. Whose is this one on the couch?
Mine.
Okay, turn it inside out. Let me see it. Turn it right side in, I mean. Ben,
Okay.
next time when you take it off, fix it right away. Especially if you got to do a thing like this. Okay. Alright, we'll just put yours on the couch there. How's that sound? Don't walk around with your tablet, it irritates me.
Okay. I'll take that. How am I not hit by balls, chat? I can't wait to post this. I didn't get hit by the balls. Man, shut your mouth. What rocks? Wait, did everyone just get dissipated? Everyone just got decapitated by the rocks, bro. Whee! Balloon.
That would end you.
Oh, my button. I guess How did Lily Lovebraze even just die? What? That should be over there, not over here. No, I don't want you. Oh, that's how. Don't be a drip. Take a dip. Yeah, don't be a dip. She's good. You still have that on top. I wish you would like not though. Watch out for the wall. What wall? Oh my. I wonder if one of my favorite facility video has any. Please view it. Oh yeah. As always, except for last time because I couldn't. I'm gonna end the video here. Please leave a comment beans on toast if you like beans on toast. Okay. Get Jenna.